So the stem casting come from a company in UK, Goodwin's Foundry. The stem casting itself was poured in 2 halves, and then they brought those 2 halves together and welded them together over in the UK. It was delivered to us in one piece. It weighs approximately 3 or 4 tonne, so it's a very large piece of metal.
The stem casting is for Unit UA10, really significant activity for the team. A hell of a lot of hard work has gone into it. We only have 1 stem casting per ship, so it's really important that the team got it right. So we've been through months of preparation and activity to get us to this point today.
The novel thing about the stem casting is to achieve the required quality in the weld engineering, had to preheat it to 200 degrees Celsius. As you can imagine, would be quite hot. It's like standing in front of a very hot barbecue. We went to around the clock, 24/7, so 12-hour shifts, day and night, just to maintain that heat and to maintain the constant weld out until that job was complete.
The guys have done a great job on working around the clock, maintaining everybody's safety, looking out for each other. Obviously with hot work, making sure we take breaks. We've got a confined space up in here that's preheated. That was quite hot, so we maintained like a 20-minute on, 20-minute off routine was that, and make sure the guys are safe.
I'm extremely proud of the team, and that's not just in the production sense. I've been in shipbuilding and with BAE now for 19 years, just coming on to my 20th year. Although we have had castings before, we have never seen a casting to this scale or on the stem of a ship and to this type of preheat. Compared to previous projects, I would say this is shipbuilding on steroids. This is the biggest and the most complex ship that I personally have ever worked on. I think you'll find a lot of people will say the same thing.
Significant milestone in terms of the maturity of the ship itself, and puts us in really good position for the future vessels in terms of the skills and experience that we've developed in our fantastic welding team and the supervision team. What we've seen today and the activity that we've completed, it's best in class in terms of manufacturing and welding. So I personally couldn't think of anywhere better to come and to be doing high quality manufacturing, but also contributing to this nation's defence. For me, that's what it's all about, and what a fantastic project to be a part of.